This is the Titanium Mix 3.0, a sleek, precision-crafted titanium EDC ruler that's more than just a measuring tool. Built from solid titanium, it's lightweight, ultra-durable, and resistant to rust and corrosion. With both metric and imperial measurements, it's perfect for engineers, designers, and EDC enthusiasts alike. But that's not all, it also functions as a protractor, angle gauge, and even a mini wrench for quick adjustments on the go. Compact, stylish, and endlessly useful, this is the ruler you never knew you needed. Meet the Fong, a rugged, ultralight titanium EDC keychain multi-tool designed for everyday challenges. Crafted from premium titanium, it's incredibly strong, lightweight, and rust-resistant, built to last a lifetime. It's not just a keychain, it's a bottle opener, pry bar, screwdriver, and box cutter, all in one sleek design. Minimalist yet powerful, it's small enough to carry everywhere, but tough enough for any task. Unleash the power of the Fong, the multi-tool that's always ready when you need it. And next tool is the Flounder, a compact, stylish, and ultra-functional titanium EDC multi-tool pendant designed for everyday carry. Made from premium titanium, it's lightweight, durable, and completely rust-proof, ready to tackle any task. Don't be fooled by its size, this sleek pendant packs a bottle opener, mini pry bar, screwdriver, and box cutter into one elegant design. Versatile and discreet, it's the perfect blend of fashion and function, making it a must-have for any EDC enthusiast. Upgrade your everyday carry with the Flounder, a multi-tool that's always within reach. And now we are talking about Molac, a sleek, innovative, 10-in-1 multifunctional EDC tool pen designed for those who demand more from their everyday carry. Crafted from high-quality aluminum and stainless steel, it's durable, lightweight, and built to last. It's not just a pen, it's also a stylus, bottle opener, screwdriver, ruler, bubble level, and more. Compact and stylish, it fits in your pocket but works like a mini toolbox on the go. Upgrade your EDC game with Molac, because a pen should do more than just write. This is Typen 3.0, a minimalist, ultra-durable EDC pen designed for those who appreciate simplicity and functionality. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, it's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and virtually indestructible. Designed for effortless writing, it features a high-quality pressurized ink refill, so it writes anywhere, anytime. Measuring just a few inches, it's one of the smallest, yet most functional EDC pens you can carry. Redefine your everyday carry with Typen 3.0 because great design comes in small packages. Meet GAT, a titanium multi-tool designed to handle anything life throws your way. Crafted from premium titanium, it's ultra-light, insanely strong, and built for everyday carry. Equipped with a sharp blade, bottle opener, screwdriver, pry tool, and mini saw, it's the only multi-tool you need. Compact yet powerful, it slips right into your pocket or keychain, always ready when you need it. Upgrade your EDC with GAT because real gear should be as tough as you are. This is the Omnipro wrench, a compact yet powerful titanium EDC multi-tool built for those who demand versatility on the go. Crafted from premium-grade titanium, it's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and tough enough for any job. Designed for maximum functionality, it features an adjustable wrench, screwdriver, pry tool, bottle opener, and more all in one sleek design. Compact yet mighty, it fits effortlessly in your pocket, making it the perfect companion for work, adventure, or everyday tasks. Upgrade your gear with the Omnipro wrench because real tools should be ready when you are. This is the KeySnap, a sleek, ultra-functional titanium EDC multi-tool keychain designed for everyday convenience. Made from premium-grade titanium, it's lightweight, rust-proof, and built to handle anything. It's not just a keychain, it's a bottle opener, pry tool, screwdriver, and more, all packed into a compact, stylish design. Designed for quick access and easy use, the KeySnap keeps your essentials within reach anytime, anywhere. Upgrade your keychain with the KeySnap because great tools should be always by your side. This is the all-in-one titanium foldable EDC phone stand, a compact, durable, and ultra-functional accessory for your everyday carry. Crafted from premium titanium, it's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and built to last a lifetime. Designed for versatility, it securely holds your phone at multiple angles, making it perfect for video calls, streaming, or working on the go. Unlike traditional stands, this one is ultra-thin and foldable, fitting effortlessly into your pocket, bag, or EDC kit. Upgrade your EDC with the all-in-one titanium foldable phone stand because functionality meets portability. This is the 4-in-1 EDC flashlight, a powerful, compact, and versatile tool designed for everyday carry. With multiple brightness modes, it delivers the perfect light for any situation indoors, outdoors, or emergencies. But it's more than just a flashlight. It also works as a bottle opener, screwdriver, and magnetic tool, making it an essential all-in-one gadget. Compact and built for convenience, it fits right in your pocket, bag, or keychain, ready whenever you need it. Upgrade your everyday carry with the 4-in-1 EDC flashlight because real gear should be bright, functional, and always within reach. This is Keymaster, a compact, powerful, and ultra-functional EDC tool designed to handle your everyday tasks. Made from premium-grade titanium, it's lightweight, durable, and built to last. Packed with essential tools, it functions as a bottle opener, screwdriver, pry tool, and more, all in a compact, key-sized design. Small but mighty, Keymaster fits right in your pocket or keychain, always ready when you need it. Upgrade your EDC with Keymaster because great tools come in small packages. Meet the Yiin Sliding Double-Head Multifunctional EDC Tool, an innovative compact tool built for versatility and convenience. Featuring a unique double-head sliding design, this tool effortlessly transforms to tackle multiple tasks fast and efficiently. Equipped with a screwdriver, pry tool, bottle opener, and wrench, it's the ultimate everyday carry essential. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's lightweight, durable, and perfect for on-the-go problem-solving. Upgrade your gear with the Yiin Sliding Double-Head EDC tool because efficiency should always be within reach.
Whose turn is it this time? I'll go and I won't cry. Just wait till the next time. I always do. I wanna cozy up with